What is going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with our OTC Saturday video. First and foremost, want to start out with a call that we had on Thursday. Thursday night, we came out with a video of Axis Technologies Group at 5.5 cents, AXTG. This thing ran just about 100% on Friday. Looks like it's getting found this weekend. We're getting a lot of activity on Twitter this weekend. Looks like a lot of people are finding this company. So congratulations to anyone who got in the play. Remember, keep in mind, this is a very low float play. There will be volatile swings involved in this price action. There's no questions, no ifs, ands, or buts about that. These low float plays tend to run very, very aggressively, but they do tend to pull back aggressively. That does not mean the run is over. I think that this, I think we gap up and run on Monday. I would not be surprised to see 15 cents touched early Monday. Then I'd like to see how this thing acts, and basically behaves during a pullback with all this newfound volume. I do think this is a play that I'm hanging on tight. I see a lot of potential here. I think that we could easily hit 15 cents on Monday, if not better. Keep in mind, there is an interview on Monday with the OTC chairman and Kanye Invest. They have these guys on an interview Monday morning. I believe it's 11 a.m. Pacific time, so that would be 9 a.m. Central time, 8 a.m. Eastern. I'm sorry, I got that completely backwards. I'm moving the wrong way down the country. That would be 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern time. And so keep your eye out for that. I'm sure it will be, if you can't catch it live, there will be replays for that. But I'm very interested to see what the CEO says, talking about revenue generation, growth, scaling the business, what plans they have in the future, what they have, plans they have for their NFTs, for this Ethereum mining, any more acquisitions in the pipeline, share reductions. I mean, anything and everything. Whoever's got a question there, I implore you to get those, get the right questions asked to these guys. But that's enough on AXTG. We'll be talking about these guys going forward because I'm hanging on to it, and I see a very profitable move with these guys. Again, I could be wrong. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. But we take a look here. They closed at all-time highs. 18. They had 18 and a quarter they touched, but on that day, looks as if it closed at just under 7 cents. So this is the highest close we've had. So we get a little push above here. We could test these 18 and a quarter. If we break the 18 and a quarter, it's a blue sky breakout. There will be no resistance. And then we'll have to see. Again, this is a very low float play. It can run very hard, but it can pull back very hard. So make sure if you have huge profits, trim a little. You'll be able to buy them back on pullbacks. Trade this thing smart. Obviously, if you're just holding it long, hang on to it and let the chips fall. With 57 million in volume, I think the volume only goes up next week, and we could see a nice move here. So that's all I got for AXTG. Now, there's a couple of plays I want you to take a look at, and these are plays I am not really loading quickly. These are plays that I'm just nibbling a little bit here, nibbling a little bit there. These are EV plays that I think can run very hard once this EV market, this EV charging, batteries, once everything here heats up. Obviously first we have our battery speculation play, and that's PJet. And I'm invested in PJet. I've been talking about this thing. All the DD you need on PJet is available through OG Tigris's Twitter account. That's OG Tigris on Twitter. Phenomenal DD on here. Now, keep in mind, this is all speculation, but the dots are connecting. So, where there's smoke, typically there's fire. That doesn't always, pan out, but this looks really good for IQST, ALYI, Modus, PJet, all these guys being involved, and very interesting. Segueing on that, I want you to take a look at IQST. This is a stock we talked about way in the beginning of the channel, right around 10 cents. Right now at 50 cents, I think these guys are a prime bottom play for the EV boom that's could be coming over the next few years, or it's going to be coming. But when it starts picking up steam again, this could be a prime play to take a look at. That's IQST. Another one that was a channel favorite, and we talked about him not too long ago, is American Battery Metals. If I can just find the B on my oh brother, Sunday morning, man. We couldn't get the video out yesterday, so we're doing it on a Sunday. But this is American Battery Metals. Absolutely love this play at $1.36. We were talking about this at 10 cents, at 20 cents, way back here in September and October of last year. And we had a phenomenal run. This is a very similar chart to IQST. And these guys have some big things in the pipeline. Look at ABML. This price at $1.36, I promise you a year from now will be a relic of the past. Mark my words. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I can always be wrong, but I am very confident that there is some big things with American Battery Metals coming, and you may want to take a good look at the company. Another one I want to take a look at, and this is a quick pick from Paul's Picks. Paul's Picks, my fratel, my brother. Go check out his channel. Go check out his Twitter channel, his YouTube channel. This guy is always spitting straight facts. He looks out for his followers. He gives you the good, he gives you the bad, he gives you the ugly, and he gives you everything in between. He likes this play, brought it to my attention. This is one I'm definitely looking at for the EV boom, and that's LTUM. So take a good look at that one. And last but not least, this one is one I am very interested in, and that is M-Phase Technologies XDSL at 26 cents. I will not get any further into this one. Take a look into it. We will have a video on this one next week. Now let's get into some of the plays. Again, we already talked about AXTG. This one's going to be a banger next week. Let's talk about our baby, and that's ILIS International. 28 cents, all-time high, 71 million in volume. Look at that chart. Okay, we are due for a pullback. We are definitely due for a pullback. A pullback is healthy. I mean, we all know this is the day we called this stock out, the first day it ran, and we've been on this stock ever since. Shout out to Paul's Picks. They're on this, Moon Market, and a lot of other good people have been on this play. Thick and thin, we all knew. When you have the cream rises to the top, and when you have sound management, a company that's very transparent, they're doing everything to win. They're making big deals. They're making big moves. It can't be ignored, and this company could not be ignored forever. I'm still big on ILIS. I don't know about paying. I mean, I think this thing goes past $1. I could see this thing trading $2 a year from now, $3. But right now, I think we get a little bit of a pullback. I could see paying 22, 23 for some if you're looking to get in. If not, if this thing breaks 30, we could be hitting 40 soon. So keep a close eye on the chart. I think we're due for a pullback, but as hot as this thing's been, I don't know if we get one. You had your pullback to 22 on Friday, and it didn't last very long. So love ILIS. I'm still big on ILIS. And I just, one of my, this is obviously my top play for 2021, and this could be one of the top plays all time on tactical trading. Moving forward to another favorite of the channel, love FERN Corporation. Look at the price action on this thing. Closed at 0.0243 on Friday, up 5%. This thing is almost 43 million in volume. I'm very excited about FERN. Look at this beautiful chart. I mean, I told you last time There would be a pullback right off these highs. I said 260 would be the high area where we're going to start getting some resistance. And like on cue, this thing started hitting some heavy resistance at 260. Some selling came in, pushed down, gave us an excellent buying opportunity down to 2 pennies and 220 and 230 even. I think we break these highs coming up soon. We have news coming in the next month or two about an acquisition. I want to see how the synergies work between these acquisitions that this company is rolling out. But needless to say, this is definitely one of my favorite crypto plays. This and AXTG are definitely my 2 favorite crypto plays. AXTG being the green Ethereum mining, FERN being the green just basic crypto mining. I love both these plays. I think both are long-term holds for me. AXTG, I still want to let that play out. FERN's definitely a long-term hold with ILUS. But AXTG, I want to see how this plays out. I'm not going to get ahead of myself here, but really excited about AXTG. And last but not least, we're going to cover one more play on this, and that is good old GVSI, Good Vibration Shoes. Closed at 0.0418, up 34% or nearly 35% on Friday, with about 12 million in volume. Had a huge push right at the end of the day. We got the tweet from George Sharp stating that they do have Edgar access to get the filings in, so we do expect filings to come very shortly. Just as I said on this channel, and I do believe, George Sharp did come out and say that he believes that the deadline will be extended. I think possibly to the end of the year or through the end of the year. I didn't see a time frame of what he said, but I do think that the way OTC markets is absolutely inundated with filings, and I think they're going to have to push this deadline in order to facilitate everything. So, but regardless, this company does have their filing, or their I'm sure they have their filings ready, but they do have access now to start submitting filings. I expect a huge run from GVSI. Look, there's people out there saying TSMP 2.0. I don't know about that. I do believe that Swap is the company coming in here and rolling into this company, or rolling into this ticker. I could be wrong. I don't want to speculate, but that's where all the arrows are pointing. And again, where there's smoke, there's fire. If Swap rolls in here, I will have 2 beautiful pure Ethereum plays that I am very happy with, and that will be GVSI and AXTG. I was looking for a pure Ethereum play. AXTG fits the bill, and GVSI, if Swap rolls in, will be massive. Will be absolutely massive. So that's all I got for you today, folks. Hope you got something out of the video. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, keep an eye out for that video on XDLS or XDSL later in the week. And as always, let's get that money, traders.